In this video, I will show you how to connect Zapier to GoHighLevel and how you can integrate these two to set up automations. Now, first of all, if you haven't yet started your GoHighLevel free trial, you can get an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days through the link down in the description. Now, with that out of the way, go to GoHighLevel, then click on your sub-accounts and just go to the sub-account that you want to connect to Zapier. So for example, I will take this one right here, and then click switch to sub-account. Now from here you want to go and click on settings in the bottom left. Now here in your business profile under the general information, scroll down and here you will see API key. You will see use this for Zapier and API integration, so click generate key right here. Now here you will have your key, so go and copy it, then head over to Zapier. And now you will see if I click on explore apps and search for GoHighLevel, nothing will show up. So instead you want to go and search for lead connector. And then here go and click lead connector. Then here just click connect lead connector to over 6,000 apps. Now here you have the event, and then here you can click plus to add a step, so then you can choose what you want to happen after something happens in GoHighLevel, for example Google Sheets. But then in lead connector right here, the trigger event is only this one, pipeline stage changed, so it triggers when the pipeline stage was updated for an opportunity. So then here in your account, go and click on it. And now here you will need to add the API key, so go and paste in the API key, we just copy it and click yes, continue. And now you will see that you have connected your GoHighLevel account to your Zapier account. Now you can also do a different event if something happens in a different software and then they enter into GoHighLevel, but then you will need to start with the other software instead of with lead connector. But now in the configure section here, you can choose which pipeline you want to use, you can choose to which stage they are moved and stuff like that, and then you can create a test. But now you know how you can connect Zapier to GoHighLevel. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial to GoHighLevel through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next